Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel Tirtha Spoken English Service Center, which reveals you a golden opportunity to learn English in a natural way, my dear friends. And friends, this is Paraya Pedalanka, BA Special English, and I'm terrific friends. I hope you're also doing well. Today I've come with one more story, as usual, my dear friends. The title of the story is The Recipe Book. Okay, friends, let's jump into the story. Get ready. Once upon a time, there was a man named Raju. He had a small hotel, my dear friends, and everybody who visited his hotel liked the food very much as it was very tasty, my dear friends. Raju also supplied the food on bulk orders, and luckily, one day he got a big order to cook for a dinner party. But, my dear friends, unfortunately, Raju fell ill and he said to himself like I am not feeling well and not even able to get out of the bed. How can I cook for many people? But my dear friends, Raju didn't want to lose the opportunity, so he decided to cook. Suddenly he fainted. Then the recipe book, one of his friends saw this, and it immediately it talked to his friends like, friends, our friend Raju fell ill. He is on the bed and not able to cook for the dinner party. I'm going to help our Raju. Who will come with me? Then, my dear friends, a pot came and said, I am big enough to cook rice for the party. And then a mixer came and said, may I join you, my dear friends? I can grind the things that you need for cooking in minutes. And then a knife came and said, friends, I can slice and dice the vegetables. Get ready, my dear, tomatoes, chilies, and onions. Here I come. Then finally, a stove came and said, my dear friends, hello, friends, may I also join you? Can I also help you? Then the recipe book said, you are most welcome. Then, friends, a recipe book said, okay, friends, let's begin cooking. And they prepared all the dishes for the dinner party. After a couple of hours, our Raju woke up and entered the kitchen. Then he was so surprised and said to himself, all the food, I can't believe this. All the food for the dinner party is ready. He tasted the food, my dear friends. It was awesome, tasty, sumptuous, delicious. And then he realized that it was done by the recipe book. Then he asked the recipe book, my dear friend, who helped you in cooking? Then the recipe book pointed to the pot, the mixer, the knife, and the stove. Then Raju thanked them all for preparing such a delicious dinner. Well, friends, this is simply about the story, and I would like to, by this story, by this story, I would like to remind one thing, that is, a friend in need is a friend indeed. I repeat once again, my dear friends, a friend in need is a friend indeed. Well, friends, so for any mistakes, I'm so sorry for them. And at the same time, thank you very much for having me one more wonderful experience. Thank you so much.